Hello, guys. We have a very big news to share with you today. Take a look at this. The SEC finally made a settlement offer to XRP. It has been said we can say that the XRP's SEC case is finally coming to an end. The settlement offer that was made by the United States Securities and Exchanges Commission was disclosed by Ripple's chief legal officer, Stuart Alderoty, prior to the filing of the case by the SEC in December 2020. XRP, as a form of safety, on December 22, 2020, the Securities and Exchange Commission filed charges against Ripple, its co-founder Christian Larson, and its chief executive officer Bradley Garlinghouse, alleging that they had raised more than $1.03 billion through an ongoing digital asset securities offering that was not registered. In light of the fact that it has been 3 years since the complaint was initially filed, Alderoty recalled the conditions of a settlement offer that the commission had made prior to the filing of the case. It was he who said, before the Securities and Exchange Commission filed a lawsuit against Ripple, Chris and Brad offered us the following settlement. The SEC would announce to the market that XRP is a security and the market would be granted a limited window to get into compliance. This was 3 years ago today. Ripple was asked to agree and publicly acknowledge that XRP was a security asset by the Securities and Exchange Commission. As additionally, the SEC requested that Ripple provide a brief window of opportunity for crypto compliance to become compliant. Despite the fact that crypto businesses in the United States have been arguing for a long time that the existing securities rules are not suitable for the characteristics of crypto assets, the Securities and Exchange Commission has shown very little effort toward developing a regulatory framework that is special to crypto assets. On the other hand, the sexy settlement requirement for XRP being a security was found to be incorrect before the court. Judge Analisa Torres ruled in the July 2023 summary judgment that XRP was not a security when it came to retail buying. This came about as a result of the court's decision. CoinGape had previously stated that the Securities and Exchange Commission had dismissed charges against CEO Garlinghouse and Larson, chief legal officer of Ripple. The CC never built crypto compliance. Alder doubled seen that the Securities and Exchange Commission has never developed standards for crypto compliance. Following the filing of the XRP lawsuit 3 years ago, the United States markets regulator was unable to develop compliance for the industry, despite the fact that companies were fleeing abroad and receiving intense criticism. The government agency, on the other hand, adopted the enforcement-first strategy, which included launching legal assaults against the leading cryptocurrency exchanges Coinbase and Binance. And also in the other news, the cryptocurrency exchange Kraken has submitted an application to intervene in the ongoing legal struggle between Ripple and its plaintiffs. This is a significant move in the ongoing legal battle. This action is a response to a court order that demanded that exchanges situated in the United States provide private trading data, which includes the identity of XRP traders. The position that Kraken takes regarding the privacy of its users, the intervention of Kraken in the case brought against Ripple is a pivotal moment for the protection of user privacy in the cryptocurrency industry. A stance has been taken by the exchange to protect the data of its users, with an emphasis placed on the significance of privacy and the potential dangers associated with the sharing of sensitive information. Kraken maintains that it is maintaining its impartiality in the legal fight, and instead focuses on the ramifications of complying with the data disclosure order issued by the fact that the exchange has chosen to contest this ruling demonstrates that it is extremely concerned about preserving the faith of its customers. The forceful disclosure of private transaction data, according to Kraken's argument, has the potential to damage the connection that exists between the exchange and its customers. The purpose of this action is not limited to safeguarding individual traders. Rather, it is also aimed at preserving Kraken's reputation and establishing a sense of security across the cryptocurrency community. The fundamental conflict in the legal system, as far as the legal argument is concerned, the classification of XRP is at the center of it. The action, which is being spearheaded by plaintiff Zakhanov, raises the question of whether or not XRP ought to be classified as a currency or a security. While comparing XRP to well-established cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ripple vehemently refutes allegations that it is selling securities that have not been registered. The presence of Kraken brings an additional layer of complexity to this already complicated legal matter. Through the process of contesting the court order, the exchange brings the matter of protecting the privacy of its users and their data into the spotlight. By taking this action, the company is not only demonstrating its commitment to its customers, but is also drawing attention to broader problems over privacy. It is possible that Kraken's decision to be involved will have repercussions that extend beyond the Ripple litigation. It is possible that the exchange's stance against the court order will serve as a model for other platforms, which could result in a more robust commitment to protecting the privacy of Bitcoin users across the industry. In addition to this, it presents important problems regarding the equilibrium that exists between individual rights and legal obligations, particularly in the context of the ever-changing world of digital assets. If this intervention is successful, it may have an impact on the regulatory methods that are taken to data collecting in the cryptocurrency field. If the motion that Kraken has submitted is successful, it may push regulators to consider frameworks for Bitcoin transactions that are more focused on protecting users' privacy. Because of this, there is a possibility that decentralized exchanges and services that put the user's privacy first will become more prevalent. More than just a legal tactic, Kraken's participation in the Ripple litigation is incredibly significant. It is a momentous occasion for the preservation of user privacy in the cryptocurrency business. And it poses a challenge to other exchanges and regulatory authorities to reevaluate their approaches to data protection and transparency. As a result of this intervention, the way in which personal data is managed in the world of digital assets may undergo a transformation, thereby establishing new benchmarks for the protection of user privacy and trust. As the price of XRP continues to fluctuate below a significant resistance level, Nugget Rush Next is working to shake up the cryptocurrency gaming landscape. At the heart of the platform is a play-to-earn A2 game that revolves around the extraction of mineral resources. At a major resistance level, XRP is suffering. In spite of the fact that the cryptocurrency market is progressively recovering, XRP has not yet broken over a resistance level as of December 19, which has caused analysts to engage in arguments. The data that is available on the blockchain suggests that XRP is struggling with a negative momentum, which creates the prospect of a reversal. XRP is currently trading close to the 60-cent support zone, which is an important level that traders regularly monitor in order to determine the near-term trend of the cryptocurrency. XRP does not exhibit a discernible directional bias, despite the fact that market trends tend to be relatively horizontal throughout the holiday season. One of the most significant factors that is stopping XRP from making progress is the significant decrease in trading volume, which prevents it from taking part in the overall upswing in the altcoins market. The daily trading volume of XRP had a precipitous decline as reported by CoinGlass when prices were rejected in the 68 cents area in the previous week. The volume dropped by a $148.04 million between December 9 and December 19. Investors may still have faith in XRP despite the fact that it has broken important support. This is because there has been no significant decrease in the price. The possibility of a rebound from the current levels has the potential to rekindle the interest of buyers. However, in order for XRP to see a bullish reversal, it is likely that favorable events or new collaborations would be required to significantly boost investor confidence. Warning: the information that has been provided is not intended to be trading advice. There's no responsibility on the part of any investments that are made based on the information that is provided in this video. Before making any decision about investments, we strongly advise conducting independent research and consulting with a knowledgeable professional.